Hey everyone. So last week I made a video using these adorable Dollar Tree Christmas trees. They turned out really cute. I made 4 of them, 2 coastal, 2 traditional. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. So in the meanwhile, I thought, why don't we make a Grinch Christmas tree? So this is what I did. So this is from last week's video. Like I said, I made a whole bunch of Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. And this time I asked my husband to cut the top off of the Christmas tree. I did end up painting it Grinch green at first, and then I decided I wanted to put it back to the regular green and put Grinch green accessories on it so that they would stand out. And I did paint both sides. And then I used the B7000 to attach the top back onto the bottom. And this seemed to work really good. Just squirted it out. If you haven't heard me talk about this before, I've switched from the B6000 to the B7000. It's so much thinner and so much easier to work with. And then I just put it on there sideways and took a clamp and held it on. I did let this dry overnight, although I feel like it was dry sooner than that. I also took the B7000 and put it on the very tip, and then found a long piece of the fiberglass to stick right to the end and secure that so that I can hang the little ornament that you usually see hanging off the top of the Grinch Christmas tree. I took a 4mm rhinestone chain and spray painted it with the Krylon Fusion All-in-One Paint and Primer Gloss Jungle Green. This is only like $6.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it below. And I did tape the back up. Whatever you do, tape it up. It will save you so much time in the end. I didn't tape up the backs of some of mine in the previous video, and it was such a mess. It really took a long time to clean them up. And then I just added the resin, and I put the resin down first so it would have a good base to grip onto the glass. And the glass that I'm using is 1/4 inch fiberglass. It's green with a silver reflective side. It's super pretty. I did get it on Amazon. I will leave a link for it. I've used it for multiple Christmas trees. And then I just started adding the accessories, the rhinestone chain, the little Grinch faces you can get on Amazon, or you can buy them separately, a whole bunch of them on Etsy, and I'll try to find the link because I got those a couple years ago. And the little signs, I actually made those up myself, and I'm pulling in part of my other video to show you how I did it. On Etsy, I also purchased digital downloads of these signs that they had, printed them out. Actually, I printed them out real small on cardstock paper, and I cut out another piece of cardstock paper to put under it just to make it a little bit stronger. And I glued them together, but I did not wait for it to dry before I started putting the UV resin on. So a lot of the white paper underneath did peel up. So I think it's a good idea to let it probably dry overnight. Actual printouts did dry overnight because I was afraid the ink would run with the UV resin. Next, using UV resin, I covered the top of each of them one at a time. Smoothed it out, pushed it all the way to the edges, and then put the UV light on them. Did try to work slow, doing one at a time and putting it under the light for 90 seconds. Now, I don't think any of the ink smeared at all with this UV resin, but you dry it so fast. So I wanted to cover it with the UV resin instead of the regular resin, because the regular resin takes a long time to dry, and I was afraid that the ink would then run. So the other thing that happened with them, besides I told you that some of the paper pulled off of the back of some of them kind of curled up a tiny bit, and I had to kind of bend them back into place. And so this is what I decided to do, was put a piece of tape down and set it on the painter's tape to hold it flat, and that worked a little bit better that way. This is the other Grinch Christmas tree that I did a couple years ago. If you haven't seen it, check it out. that turned out really cute. And it really wasn't that hard to do. So then I had picked up some little accessories from Walmart, some little bulbs, and the red one I actually attached with the UV bonding resin from Let's Resin. And if you don't know the difference between that and regular UV resin, it bonds in seconds instead of minutes. And it's good for something that might roll away or you're trying to attach to the top of something. But the other two accessories that I got, the little Christmas tree and then the other bulb, I used the E7000 to attach those because they were both supported. I wasn't worried about them rolling away. And the E7000 works really well. Hey everyone, so I think this turned out super cute. I wish it didn't have such a pointy edge right there, but I wanted to do something that would be easy that anybody can do as long as you could just cut the top off there. Even if you can't do it, your husband or your neighbor, ask your neighbor. But anyway, I just thought it was cute, a cute idea. I love the little accessories at the bottom. Those are all just from Walmart. You can get the little packages of small bulbs, and they have these hanging in the miniature Christmas section. They have some cute miniature Christmas things also at Walmart. So Hobby Lobby and Walmart and Michael's too. But anyway, I thought it turned out cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Oh, I got to show you what I got to stand next to it. So when I was at Walmart getting those, I found this Mr. Grinch. I think he was like 10 bucks, but I'm going to set him next to the tree. I thought that would be really cute. Anyway, yeah, Walmart. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to put out 2 videos a week with the holidays and all because I have so many ideas. And we have the Facebook page going, an amazing group over there. So much fun. They're so creative. They have so many different ideas. I'm hoping they're going to like this idea. I'd love to see all your Christmas trees that you've made with the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. If you have not seen that video, that went out last week. And I did 2 coastal and 2 traditional Christmas trees. And like I said, I would love to see all of yours. So come check out the Facebook group, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.